Hello, friends. When we speak of peace, the most basic foundation we can imagine is the absence of war. This is the condition where armed conflict and direct violence stops. This stage, often called negative peace, is essential because it provides the breathing space for societies to heal, rebuild trust, and begin addressing the deeper causes of conflict. Without the cessation of war, all efforts towards reconciliation, justice, and human development become impossible. But the absence of war is not the end goal, it is the starting point. Once stability is achieved, we can expand peace outward, strengthening institutions, protecting human rights, and ensuring equality and participation for all. As Johan Galtung reminds us, true or positive peace means removing the structural and cultural roots of violence. Therefore, the absence of war is not a passive silence. It is an active opportunity, the ground base upon which lasting and holistic peace can grow.